the old ASP days, or even those who have been around for a long time can remember the bureau days. Some say it's just another reinterpretation of the bureau or the ASP model, but more importantly, cloud computing is going to offer those mid-market type of businesses, organisations that have 100 employees or less, a viable alternative than to have infrastructure, residing in their actual place of work. Infrastructure, applications on demand, things like that. So that's going to be very interesting, and you're now starting to see organisations take advantage of that. Is it cloud computing or is it software as a service? Typically software as a service. We can see organisations starting to move to that. So that's a really good thing. Okay? The other thing that's going to cause the adoption of cloud computing to be much quicker is the rise or the maturity of the infrastructure that we now have in our society today. 10 years ago, we were talking about the ASP model and taking advantage of the ASP model. We didn't have the infrastructure that we have today. Okay? Especially in Asia too, because Asia is more of a wireless type of society, whereas North America and EMEA and South America are more landline fixed type of environments. Because we're a more mobile IT environment here in Asia, you're going to see cloud computing really take off quicker here than those other geographies. Okay, so I think the cloud is here to stay. I think it's here to stay, especially in what we call the mid-market organisations. Organisations at the enterprise level of town, especially organisations that work in the banking and financial sector, will always have their infrastructure reside on site, obviously handling large amounts of data, being very security and compliance conscious. I think we'll see those types of organisations really keep that infrastructure in-house.